In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook friend suggestion not showing problem. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now on your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On the menu, you have to tap on the settings icon, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now on the settings and privacy, you have to select on the very first option which says see more in account center. In your account center, you have to scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Now over here, you have to tap on upload contacts. Now select your Facebook account. So now from here, you very simply have to enable the upload contacts option. Now tap on continue. Now from this list, you very simply have to add a random friend, then tap on done, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. So by doing this, you should be able to fix your Facebook friend suggestion not showing problem. But still, if the issue continues to appear, you have to close your Facebook application and open your iPhone settings. On your iPhone settings, you have to tap on general. In general, you have to tap on iPhone storage. On iPhone storage, you have to scroll down and simply tap on Facebook. So now you have to tap on offload app, which will free up the storage which is used by the application but will keep its document and data. So by doing this, you will be able to clear all of the cache which is stored in your Facebook application, and that might also help in fixing the Facebook friend suggestion not showing problem. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.